Hello folks, and welcome to another video from Redtail Fan School. I just had posted just the other day a video that shows how you can use an apps script to take a random set of questions that you might have in column A. These are just random, really random, but as a teacher you would have your questions that you want your students to work with. And then in column B, what we need to do is mark a question as chosen once it gets chosen one time. And what we want this to be is a random set of questions that when we run the script, it would choose one of these questions, mark it as chosen. So I did a video on how this works and showed the app script, but an extension of that is what I wanted to show today. So I have, in this case, a menu item, choose a random question. And when you do that, it runs the script, chooses a question, puts it in cell C1. But I realized, more importantly, we can do the same thing and have that question be put on sheet 2. So as a teacher, if you were projecting this screen, you could make this however you want it to look, different colors, everything else, different sizes. And when you click the button, you get a new question for the students to respond to. And you could do it again. And if you had a split screen, you could come back and look and see which questions are chosen, or at the end of the lesson, you could see that. After all 10 questions in this case are chosen, it wouldn't change and you would get a notification in the app script that all the questions, there are no more unchosen questions. So this is the script, and we had gone over this. I do include in my videos a link to a Google document that has the entire script, so you could copy and paste that. But, and I've gone over all of this with the previous video, which I will include at the end of this video. So just wanted to follow up with this idea that how would you use this concept? Well, this could be real handy for a teacher. You click the button and a new question comes up. So as you're working with your students, what you would do is make your list of questions and then be able to just click a button, get a random question posted for the students to respond to in some way. I hope you find this useful,